How beautiful is the rain, how beautiful is the rain. After the dust and heat, in the broad and fairy street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing fount, from the throat of the overflowing fount, across the window pane, across the window pane. It pours and pours, it pours and pours, and shift and white with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter goes, like a river down the gutter goes. The rain, the welcome rain, the rain, the welcome rain. How beautiful is the rain. Thank you.